What's up YouTube, this is Prince today, TP101, and in this video I want to show you guys the Wyze watch. So this thing came in the mail yesterday. I pre-ordered this a while back, months ago, and it came in the mail. It's not in stock right now, but I have a link to their website in the description. And this is the same Wyze that makes those cheap cameras, the cheap thermostat, doorbell, all that kind of stuff, which I have all of those. I have several other Wyze videos on my channel, so you could check them out. So this is my Wyze watch. I broke my Apple Watch and I didn't order a new one because I knew this one was coming. So yeah, here it is right here. This costs 20 bucks, and this is the 47mm one, and there's also a 44mm one, which I think they're the same price. So 20 bucks plus shipping. So you get women's health tracking, that's like your menstrual cycle for all the ladies. You get activity and heart rate tracking, and you get blood oxygen. You can test your blood oxygen level, and you can see all this stuff right here. Sleep tracking, customizable screen, and it's waterproof. So yeah, so we're gonna unbox it. You can see it says Wyze watch 47mm. So we're gonna unbox it and see how it compares to the Apple Watch. So this is my wife's Apple Watch. I think this is the 44mm. So we're gonna check it out. Box. So there's the watch right there. Do we just take it out like that, or do we have to go in again? Okay, like that. And then we just take it out. I don't know. So this is the charger. Open it up. So it has a regular band, you can see. I guess you did it like that. I'm like, pull it out. So there it is right there. That's the back. It says Wyze watch 47mm WW3. So nice. Let's see. The Apple Watch is heavier, definitely. And there's a little pin right here. I think that's what you use to take the band off. There's a button right here. That's probably the power button. Let's see if it's on. Okay, I felt that vibration. So that's how you set it up. So that's let's see what that says in the box. Quick start guide. Activation, your charge setup, and all that kind of stuff. Okay, nothing else. Nothing else. You got your charger. Guess you plugged it in. Kind of like. Okay. So when you try to do it like this, doesn't want to stick, so you have to put it on there the right way. See, he's kind of pushing it away, but when you flip it the right way, it just attaches just like that. So that's kind of weird, but it does work, as you can see. Thought it would be, you could connect it any angle, but obviously it doesn't. You have to do it like that. Okay, so press the button. Okay, so let's set this baby up. So let's go to the Wyze app on my phone. Wyze. So that's the Wyze app right there. We're gonna hit plus, add device. Let's say lifestyle. There it is, Apple Watch 47. Okay. Okay, so it's pairing. And for the price, guys, this definitely, I think it's worth it. 20 bucks for this without even using it. This should be an amazing watch. So let's do its thing. And this thing says it has a 9-day battery life. Pair and fail. I don't know what happened. Try again. Okay, your watch has been added. So there you go. Left hand. So you can see. Left hand. Swipe left to see apps. Swipe right to see data. Swipe down for notification. Swipe right to back. Long press to restart or shut down. Long press the screen to select faces. So it's basically similar to the Apple Watch. Enjoy. So now it's updating. So I'll be back after this watch is done updating, guys. So guys, the watch is done set up. The setup process is done. So let's take that plastic off. And there it is right there. That thing looks nice. And so these are the screens right here. So you could race to wake. And you could do the start time, whatever that time, I don't know what that is. But this is everything right here. The battery percent is 57%, it'll tell you right there. And these are the watch faces. So I guess you could go on there, see all these watch faces. Go here. Also, basically, you just click on them and you just so let's see if it switches. So okay, so now it switches on this right here. So it'll give you your footsteps, your heart rate, and everything in that little one right there. And you could just go through. Let's say I want this one. Add number of faces. Okay. Okay, so let's remove this one. Let's add that one. Okay, so now it's installing the watch face on the watch, which takes a little bit of time because as you can see it says it's syncing, and it should be instant. I mean, I would love for it just to be instant. You tap on it and it's there. And the fact that you could only have 3 faces up top to switch from real quick, hopefully they change that too in the future. So you could just have them right there, you just tap on them, you see another one, you just put it up there. The whole process should be quicker because I'm adding this face and it's taking some time. But I will do a follow-up review at the end of the 7 days or 9 days, because it says 9-day battery life. So I'm going to full charge this today and I'm going to see if this when it shuts off, and whenever it shuts off, then I'll charge it up and I make a full review video and let you guys know what's up and see how it does it, how this step tracking and everything goes. So okay, so now that watch face is up there and it should be on my watch just like that. So let's see, so I got no notifications. Swipe up, see the battery, see the temperature where I'm at. So that's the brightness. Also see that, so you got also, so that's how you control the brightness. So you got low, medium, and high. Do not disturb. That's how you ping your phone. So if you lost your phone, that's how you find it. You just tap right here, and then your phone start making that noise. So that's dope. Okay, so that's all that's there. Just these 4. Okay. So this is how you check your blood oxygen level. See, it's doing something. Is it doing something? Do I just leave it like that? It doesn't. It's not telling me it's doing something. Should I get a reading? I don't know. Please wear your watch and remeasure. What? Okay. So I guess it was measuring it, but nothing came up. So I'll go back. Let's see. Okay, so that's how you do whatever you want to do a run or something. I don't know. Go back. How do I go? I said pause. So settings. So you could also change the wallpaper right from the watch. Got your stopwatch. So you got basically everything right here. You got your heart monitor. Let's see what it says. See my heart rate right there. Exit off. And yeah, so this is how it compares to the Apple Watch. And this is I think this is the 44, but the bezels on the Apple Watch is a little bit thinner. So I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there you go, guys. I just wanted to do an unboxing and a quick overview of the Wyze watch. You can see right there. This is the band. It says Wyze on the thing right here. And the cool thing about this thing, you know, a lot of times this will slide up and slide off, but it has a little notch right there. I don't know if you can see it, that goes into the hole, so it doesn't slide. You know what I mean? So it just fits just like that. So there you go, guys. I'm going to fully charge this, and then I'm going to bring it back whenever, after like 9 days, because it does say 9-day battery life. I don't know if you have to just be regular use, like you exercise and doing everything. So I'll let you guys know in the full review. So stay tuned to that. Make sure you're subscribed. It's Prince with ATP 101. Peace. Thanks for watching.